Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the modern granny stitch. So this pretty stitch is based on the ever popular granny stitch, but with a little bit of a twist. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 6 plus 1 plus 2 for your turning chain.
So to start your modern granny stitch, you're going to be making a double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook into there. So your turning chain counts as a stitch, so I've already marked that stitch there. So now we're going to skip the next 2 stitches, and then the next stitch we're going to make 3 double crochet all in the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Skip the next 2 stitches and make a double crochet in the next stitch. 2 and 3. And you're going to carry that on all the way across your row. Skip 2 stitches, then make 3 double crochet all in the same stitch. And then once you reach the end of the row, you should have 1 chain left, and you're going to make 2 double crochet in this stitch. 1 and 2. And that's row 1. So now we're going to turn. Chain 1 and make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. Chain 2. So we're going to be making a double crochet 3 together over these 3 stitches here. So skip the next stitch and start your double crochet 3 together. 1. So to do that, you just start a double crochet in each stitch, but you're only pulling through the first 2 loops, always leaving loops on your hook. So for a double crochet 3 together, you should have 4 loops on your hook at the end, then yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, then chain 2, and you repeat this across the row. After your chain 2, make a double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops left, chain 2. Okay, and we're going to carry this on all the way across the row. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook. Then we're going to chain 2, and to finish the row we're going to make a double crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. 1 and 2. So your modern granny should be looking like this right now. So in the next row we're going to start offsetting our stitches. So for row 3 you're going to turn, chain 1. Make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. Just move my stitch marker up. Now working in the chain space, so right here, we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Just grab some more yarn. Okay, so 3 double crochet all in the same chain space, and then straight to the next chain space and make another 3 double crochet. So there's no chains in between, it's just 3 double crochet in each chain space and then move to the next chain space and make another 3 double crochet. You're going to do that all the way across the row. in each chain space. So 3 double crochet into the last chain space, and then to finish the row you're going to make a double crochet in that last stitch right there. And that's row 3. Row 4, you're going to turn and chain 1 and make a double crochet turning chain in that first stitch. Let's move the stitch marker up. Okay, after your turning chain you're going to chain 1 and then make a double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches. So start a double crochet in each of them, but only pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Should leave 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and then chain 2. And then repeat for the next 3 stitches. Double crochet 3 together. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Then chain 2. Repeat this all the way across your row. Double crochet 3 together, then chain 2. That's the repeat. 2. So when you get to the end of your row, make your double crochet 3 together over that last set of 3 stitches, then chain 1 and make a double crochet in the last stitch of the row. And that's row 4. So all of your modern granny stitches are offset, working into the chain spaces between the last set. So they alternate between the rows. So row 5, we're going to turn, chain 1, make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. And then we're going to make a double crochet in the same stitch as well. So we're going to skip to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're just going to skip to the next chain space and make another 3 double crochet. So the repeat for this row is 3 double crochet in every chain space. There are no chains in between. It's just make your first set of 3, skip to the chain space, and make the next set of 3 all the way across the row. So when you've worked in the last chain space, okay, we're not working in here, but we are going to make 2 double crochet in the last stitch. 1 and 2. Okay, so you do not work between the double crochet 3 together and that stitch there. You skip from your last chain 2 space straight to the last stitch of the row and make 2 double crochet. And that's row 5. Okay, row 6. Turn, chain 1. Make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 2. Now make double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2. And then double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches. So the repeat for row 6 is double crochet 3 together chain 2, and repeat that across the row. 2, 3. So after your last set of 3 stitches, make your double crochet 3 together, chain 2, and make 2 double crochet in the last stitch of the row. 1 and 2. And that's the last stitch complete. So your granny stitches will alternate up the row into the chain spaces as you go.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the modern granny stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, free patterns and crochet tips. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.